Show you something, so lay back and take it.